Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. This is page 42 of Standard of Excellence Book 1. This is Scale Studies. And I am going to do each scale as written. And then I will do... I'm going to do the F scale twice. I will do as written, and then I'll do high octave and low octave, and then put them together. And the chromatic scale, I will do just the upper pitches the first time, and I'll add in the lower pitches the second time. I'm going to do the thirds on that again, but I'm going to keep it going in the same pattern that I played the upper scale in. Right, 2 octaves. I'll make an attempt for 3 after that. No promises on that one. Here we go. All right. All right. A flat scale next. All right, in the back of my head, I heard a trombone teacher years ago. It's like, more air, more air. And here's chromatic scale, top notes. Lower pitches. All right. And here's a 2-octave chromatic scale starting on the low E flat, which you do need a trigger for. Since E in 7th is the lowest, you can do without that. But T3 will give us that low E flat. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.